Hi, I am Elif Balkas, CTO at Wolfspeed, and we at Wolfspeed are very excited about our new Gen 4 platform, which we actually specifically engineered to address the most demanding, the toughest conditions and the demands that our customers face. So when we designed Gen 4 technology, that we concentrated on three drivers that drives all of the innovation and then that drives the industry as well. They were primarily the ruggedness for rugged durability, efficiency, system level efficiency, as well as the cost, and then the easy integration and then simpler and quicker design at the customer side. I want to talk about the ruggedness very quickly because it's so important when we think about the harshest environment that we can implement our Gen 4 design. What we basically did, we achieved the short circuit withstand time up to 2.3 microsecond without compromising the performance at the high temperature. It's a big deal when you think about applying these devices into a very demanding conditions. We also improved, thanks to our the soft body diode, the design improvements, the cosmic ray fit rate by 100 times. That means that our customers deploy our products into the high altitude conditions or other harsh environments. We also improved the VDS on by about significantly to improve the ringing. And then I'm going to talk about that in a little bit. It's a big deal when you're thinking about and then dealing with the ringing. And then I want to talk about a little bit about the efficiency. When we think about the efficiency without compromising the properties and the performance, especially at the operating temperature, we designed and then we focused on the two areas. We improved the operating temperature RDS on by about 21%, while we also improved the switching performance by 15%. These are so important when we think about giving our customers the options to optimize their solutions. For example, that you can increase the frequency and then reduce the spend or the design considerations from the magnetic side of things, or you can utilize the thermal management side of things and then save the cost from the cooling, whatever the applications or the cost requirements based on the system requirements. And also that with Gen 4 platform, that some of the die products that we qualified them for a continuous operation at 185 degrees C, recognizing that these products will run at really in the harsh conditions and at high temperatures, and then with the limited life up to 200 degrees C. So in the high temperatures, so the customers can have the trust that these parts will be resilient and durable. I want to go back to the VDS overshoot improvements and then what it means for how it reduces the ringing. But at the same time, with our soft body diode innovations and the engineering, that we also improved the reverse body diode, the recovery, by about 3.5 times. And then combined with the capacitance ratio is about 600, that means that we're demonstrating much cleaner switching. And then it actually takes away all of the EMI considerations and then makes it a lot more simpler. If you're, as I mentioned, that if you're dealing with the ringing related, the considerations or EMI tuning and then testing, that it's not an easy thing and it takes iterations. But this way, our customers see that simplified integration and a faster time to the market. So here I want to point out really that our VDS overshoot improvements. What we're doing here is that, as you see, that looking at our competitors, how they are performed in the switching conditions, actually this overshoot, that you need to be mindful of that overshoot and then to account for it. But when we look at the test our Gen 4 platform, as you see in the yellow line here, that rinking that got reduced significantly. You have a very clean, and then it gives you a lot of simplicity in terms of the design. So we're very excited, all in all, that to wrap it up, that our Gen 4 technology is not really another product line, but it's really the platform that enables the variety of innovations at the customer base and then solving the real-world problems without compromising from the performance.